Welcome back. So what we're going to do now is that we're going to split the reads which belong to the mid2 sample into reads which we know belong to the same starting primer. And by belonging to the same starting primer, we'll know that they belong to a specific exon of a specific gene. So to start this off, we will go and look at the primers that we're looking for in this sample. So we're looking for primers for HLA-A exon 2 in the forward sense and the reverse sense, HLA exon 3 in the forward and reverse sense, and then the same for HLA-B and C. So what I'll do here is that I'm going to look for HLA-B. So here is the primer for exon 2 in the forward sense for HLA-B. And you'll notice that it has a mixture here at position 3. So this is probably not the best position for us to look for, whereas we know all of these other positions here are quite static. So we're going to go back to our original file and we're going to search for sort and then search for this specific primer. So I'm just going to copy the rest of that. Copy that. And now if I go back to the sequences, now here's the mid tag, the first 11 bases, and then the 3 bases after that. Remember, we weren't looking for those because that's where the mixture occurred. The mixture occurred at position 3. And so what we're going to do is we're going to sort from position 15 to maybe 25. So that's another 11 bases. And again, we go to the sequence menu, select sort, and then sort by some residue frequencies in the selected columns. Okay, so now again you see, as we saw before, we now have a nice group of neatness followed by something which doesn't look very much like it. And what we want to do is that we want to search for the group which has the primer for HLA-B exon 2 forward, which I copied before. So you'd go edit, search, find, and then I'm pasting in the piece of the HLA-B which came after the mixture, and I'm going to find that. And here is the group for those. Just cancel that to get rid of it. And again, we right click on the name to make that be the master sequence. You see these are the reads for HLA-B exon 2 forward. So in much the same way as we did before, we just need to copy these and make a specific file for them. And you see that in this position here, the one before where we were searching, position number 14, you see that we have that mixture. We have G's and C's, and S is a mixture of, the mixture of C and G. So you wouldn't have wanted to sort by just G or by C, because then these wouldn't form in the same group. So in order to select this, I can't select it at the moment because all the sequences are selected. So to do that, you need to go edit, and then unselect all sequences. And then you can click on the top one to select that. And this time we don't have to scroll down. We just go down and click on the bottom one. So they're all selected. Edit menu. Copy all sequences to clipboard FASTA format. And paste that. And now I just need to save that, F12, and this is mid2 HLA-B exon 2 forward dot FASTA. Save. Again, I would go back to the primers, and then I would look at HLA-2 exon B exon 2 reverse. I would get that sequence and I would sort and I would find that sequence. Actually, I don't even need to sort, I would just look for this sequence. Copy that. You need to, in order to search, you need to not have anything selected or have everything selected. So I unselect all sequences. I search, I'm going to push Control F this time and then paste that in and find next. And so that's that group. I'd copy that out and I would repeat that for all of the A, B, and C primers for the 2 exons. Thank you.